As autumn approaches, Apple fans know what that means. It's almost time for the highly anticipated iPhone 17 launch event. This year, Apple is shaking things up with bold new upgrades that users have been craving for years. Here are the top 3 features that make the iPhone 17 lineup a must-watch. Battery 1. iPhone 17 Pro Max, the longest-lasting battery ever. If battery life tops your priority list, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is about to become your dream device. Apple is reportedly increasing the thickness of the Pro Max model to pack in the largest iPhone battery to date. This means more hours of screen time, gaming, streaming, and productivity without constantly reaching for a charger. Yes, it'll be bulkier, but for power users, that trade-off is worth it. Verdict: if you want maximum endurance and don't mind a bit of heft, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is your go-to. Sparkles 2. Meet iPhone 17 Air Ultra-Thin, Ultra-Stylish. On the opposite end of the spectrum, Apple is introducing a sleek new model, the iPhone 17 Air. Designed for minimalists and style lovers, this phone is ultra-thin and futuristic. It sacrifices some battery life for a lightweight, eye-catching design that's sure to turn heads. After years of similar-looking iPhones, the Air brings back that wow factor. Expect people to ask, wait, is that the new iPhone? Verdict: if you value aesthetics and want something fresh, the iPhone 17 Air is the bold new choice. High Voltage 3. Promotion for everyone, smooth display across all models. Apple's promotion technology, which delivers buttery smooth scrolling and an always-on display, has long been reserved for Pro models. But not anymore. The entire iPhone 17 lineup is expected to feature promotion, including the base and Air models. That means 120 Hz refresh rate and always-on display are no longer exclusive perks. Verdict: no matter which iPhone 17 you choose, you'll enjoy a premium display experience. Mobile phone: more iPhone 17 upgrades you'll love. Beyond the headline features, Apple is packing the iPhone 17 series with powerful enhancements. Gear A19 and A19 Pro chips for blazing fast performance. Camera with flash upgraded 24MP true depth camera and 48MP telephoto lens. Rocket increased RAM for smoother multitasking. Locked with key enhanced security and smarter AI features. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, there's something in the iPhone 17 lineup for everyone. Speak Balloon: are you upgrading this year? Are you planning to switch to the iPhone 17? Which model has your attention, Pro Max, Air, or the base version? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Electric plug must-have accessories for your new iPhone. Upgrade your gear with these top-rated accessories. Accessory deal. Headphone AirPods Pro 2 now $199 was $249. Automobile MagSafe car mount perfect for road trips. House HomeKit Smart Plug for pack, smart home made easy. Compass 10-year AirTag battery case 2-pack, never lose your stuff. High voltage 100W USB-C fast charger power up in minutes.